So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. After so many days I am making a video based on chess. So today I am going to show one of my best games. It is not my best game but it is one of my best games. So in this game, while showing this game, you might be thinking that I am losing this game, but actually you will know what happens after some moves. Not some moves, you will know actually till the end of the game. You will think that I am losing. Just see this game. I am black. Queen d4, queen d5, knight f3, bishop g4, e3, bishop into f3, queen into f3, e6, g4, g3, d6, queen e2, knight f6, queen b5 plus. I mean check. So I was waiting for a good position. So I thought some to try something new. So I was thinking to play like Magnus. One of his games, he sacrificed all his pieces and just won the game. I thought I could make the position now good. I was also thinking that I was going to lose this game, but after few moves, I thought that I could win this match. c6, queen into b7, knight b d7, queen into c6, rook into c8, queen into d6. Now this is a clearly losing game for me. The reason why I won this game, because of one of his mistakes. Actually his mistake was not a big mistake. It was just an inaccuracy. Because of my one of my good move, I could win this match. Otherwise, it was a clearly loss. Rook into c2, knight into knight c3. He trapped my rook. Knight e4. That was my plan. Now he had no choice. He had to capture from his knight to e4, and he did the same thing. Knight to e4. D into e4. This was the blunder which he has done. That is bishop b5, queen a5 check, and now it was a clear win, because if he moves king to mm, d1, it's not if he did that move, then I would just simply do, I would capture from my queen to b5, and then he would recapture on rook, recapture the c4 c2 square, and then what? It was a clear win. That was the blunder which he could do. Then after capturing the rook, I would simply move one move only left. After that I could win the match by a checkmate. That move was queen d3. Queen d3. That was the move, and that was a checkmate. So I was expecting to win this game in this way, but I captured the bishop, and then I was waiting, and then he resigned. He knew that he was going to lose, so he resigned. And that's one of my best games. Actually, this kind of game I had never done. It is the first game in my life I just sacrificed, not sacrificed, I just gave him free pieces, and then I won this match. So this is going to be in my chess memories. I'll remember this match. So guys, do not forget to click on the like button, subscribe, share the video, and do not forget to click on the bell icon. If you want these kind of videos, then click on the bell icon and set the notifications to all. So guys, bye bye.